Let's take a quick detour to explore a few interesting properties about phi. We said phi is equal to 1 plus the square root of 5 divided by 2, which is approximately equal to 1.618. If I take 1 divided by phi, well, that's going to be the reciprocal. I flipped the numerator and denominator. 2 over 1 plus square root of 5. Now, to rationalize the denominator, how do I do that when there's two terms? Well, to do that, we multiply by what is called the conjugate. This is 1 plus square root of 5. I'll multiply by 1 minus the square root of 5. If I multiply on the bottom, I have to multiply the same thing on the top. So 2 times 1, this is just distributing, 2 minus 2 square root of 5. Okay, down here, it comes back to FOIL. First, outer, inner, last. 1 times 1 is 1. Notice 1 minus square root of 5 plus square root of 5. Root 5 times negative root 5 is minus 5. Well, negative root 5, positive root 5 cancel. That's the trick to using the conjugate, by the way, is to cancel out the square roots. So 1 minus 5 is a negative 4. I'm going to rewrite that as a negative 4. I can divide each term by a negative 2, and that leaves me with negative 1 plus the square root of 5 divided by 2. If I were to punch this into my calculator and evaluate that numerically, it would be approximately equal to 0.618. Looks conspicuously similar to this number, the only difference being the negative sign. So let's revisit our original polynomial here. X squared minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. I can rearrange this to note some interesting properties. For example, x squared is equal to x plus 1. What does that mean? Now, we said one solution for x is phi. So let me rewrite that again. Phi squared is equal to phi plus 1. Okay, phi 1.618 plus 1 is equal to 2.618. Now go ahead, punch in your calculator. What is 1.618 times itself? I'm getting 2.618, which matches our answer here. Also, if we come back to this guy, x plus 1 divided by x is equal to x over 1. Now, if I simplify this a little bit, because I only have one term in the denominator, I can divide both terms in the numerator. X divided by x is 1. 1 divided by x is 1 over x. X divided by 1 is x. Okay, again, we have solved for x and said it's equal to this constant phi. So this is the same as saying 1 plus 1 over phi is equal to phi. Okay, what did we say 1 over phi is? 1 over phi is 0.618. 0.618 plus 1 is 1.618, which equals phi, 1.618. So we plugged in phi, and notice these properties. Well, we can also plug in negative 0.618 and find the same results. I'll let you try this on your own. Just be careful that when you're squaring, a negative times a negative is a positive. So those are some interesting properties about phi. Now let's return to the main subject.